Hello students, today we will learn about standard definition of each SI unit. The SI units of measurement have an interesting history. Over time they have been refined for clarity and simplicity. Let's discuss the standard historical and modern definition of each SI unit. So let's talk about the definition of meter. The meter was originally defined as 1 upon 10 million of the distance from the Earth's equator to the North Pole measured on the circumference through Paris. In modern terms, it is defined as the distance travelled by light in a vacuum over a time interval of 1 upon 299,792,458 of a second. After that, let's discuss the definition of kilogram. The kilogram was originally defined as the mass of a liter, that is of 1/1000th of a cubic meter. It is currently defined as the mass of a platinum iridium kilogram sample maintained by the Bureau International Despots at Measures in Sivers, France. After that, let's discuss the definition of second. The second was originally based on a standard day of 24 hours, with each hour divided in 60 minutes and each minute divided in 60 seconds. However, we know that a complete rotation of Earth actually takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.1 seconds. Therefore, a second is now defined as the duration of 9,192,632,000 periods of the radiation, corresponding to the transition between two hyperfine levels of the ground state of the cesium-133 atom. After that, let's discuss the definition of ampere. The ampere is a measure of amount of electric charge passing a point in an electric circuit per unit time. 6.241 multiplied by 10 की power 18 electrons or 1 coulomb per second constitutes 1 ampere. After that, let's talk about the definition of Kelvin. The Kelvin is the unit of thermodynamic temperature scale. This scale starts at 0 Kelvin. The incremental size of the Kelvin is same as that of the degree on the Celsius, also called centigrade scale. The Kelvin is the fraction 1 upon 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water, exactly 0.01 degree Celsius or 32.018 degree Fahrenheit. Now let's discuss the definition of mole. The mole is a number that relates molecular or atomic mass to a constant number of particles. It is defined as the amount of a substance that contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilogram of carbon-12. Now let's talk about last definition of candela. The candela was so named to refer candle power back in the days when candles were the most common source of illumination. Because so many people use candles, their properties were standardized. Now, with the prevalence of incandescent and fluorescent light sources, the candela is defined as the luminous intensity in a given direction of a source that emits monochromatic radiation of frequency 540 multiplied by 10 to the power 12 Hz, and that has a radiant intensity in that direction of 1 upon 683 watts per steradian.